Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. So today is April 10th, and as you can see, it is snowing like crazy. It has been snowing since yesterday. And we've gotten, I don't even know exactly how much, but we've gotten a lot of snow. This parking lot right here was completely clear. All that was melted pavement. It was completely clear. And as you can see, it is now covered in snow again. I thought it was supposed to stop snowing last night at about 10:45. Woke up this morning and it is still snowing. Don't know when it's gonna quit, I guess. I don't know. So that has been fun. I know I said in one of my last videos that I bet we'll get another big snowstorm before it's truly spring, and here we go. So I'm less than thrilled with it, but it is what it is. We live where we live. I don't know. I'm ready. I'm over the snow. So anyways, I figured we'd bring you along. We're outside playing again. I'd bring you along just to kind of play outside again. So yeah. Yay. What are you doing, Hannah? You enjoying the snow?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Are you ready for summer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's jump.
I'm ready for summer too.
Summer too. Whoa! Oh, come here! Ah! Ah! Oh, come here!
Are you stuck?
Yeah. Am I gonna follow me
No.
in the snow?
It's like almost like it's the beginning of winter again, huh?
What is that? Is that the moon?
Huh?
This went away. Am I gonna follow me in the snow? Right,
Oh yeah.
right there in the
You're stuck.
Mommy, help me.
Oh. Lots of holes.
What? Uncle. Help me. Let's fill it with snow. Help me. Help me.
I'm not holding you.
Help me.
Hold you. What's the weather like where you guys are at? I mean, I don't know if you'll even be able to let me know, because sometimes these videos get their comments turned off, so I don't feel like you can actually tell me. But I would love to know what the weather is like where y'all are at, because it's so crappy here. I really did think it was over, because we were melting like crazy, and all the snow was melting off the sidewalks, like I said, that parking lot right here at the house was completely empty, like bare. Like you could see the pavement. It was like there was no snow in there. The roads were clear, the sidewalks were clear. Now everything is covered in snow again. So I am definitely over this. Definitely ready for summer. It's April 10th. And here we are with another big snowstorm. You back to eating snow? Now that you got all this fresh snow instead of the dirty snow. Okay.
take this light down? Mom, can I take this camera down?
No, bud.
Papa there.
Hmm?
Papa there. There.
Hunter, leave that alone. Leave it.
Where do you want me to put it?
Down.
Where?
Just not where I already shoveled. Come on, Hunter.
I put it down.
No, put the shovel back where it was. What, Hannah?
A face.
A face. Your hair's all wet on your face, huh?
Mommy dear. Mom, that's a double. That's it. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Why are you videoing me? Why video?
I thought you wanted to make a video.
What?
Didn't you want to make a video?
Yeah. Video?
You can talk to the camera?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Can't think like a danger.
Huh?
Mommy, this is where we're gonna walk up.
Oh, okay.
Like I'm walking up. I'm wet. One. Up here. And then we can go stand up here.
What's wrong, Annie?
Here. Are you?
What's wrong with your eyes?
Okay.
Is it so bright out here for you?
Um,
It's because you got those pretty blue eyes. What color is this?
Blue.
What color is this?
Blue.
Pink.
Pink. Oh, I'm tired of it.
Huh?
I'm tired of it.
What colors?
What? Oh. What? Oh, my couple just there.
Huh?
A couple of us here there.
Yeah.
That's good there.